In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. This is an incredibly useful feature when you need to refund a purchase or correct an error on a bill from your vendor. By following the steps I'll show you, you'll be able to efficiently handle vendor credits, ensuring your accounts are accurate and up to date. Let's begin by navigating to QuickBooks Online. Once you're logged in, next you'll want to locate and click on the New button. This is where you'll find most of the options to create new transactions within QuickBooks, whether it's for income, expenses, or vendor-related transactions. Clicking this will present you with a drop-down menu of options. In the drop-down, you should see the vendor credit option. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new form where you'll input all the relevant details about the credit from your vendor. It's crucial to fill this in accurately to maintain the integrity of your financial records. When this form opens up, your first task is to select the vendor in question. Click on the vendor field and choose the right vendor from the list provided. This ensures that the credit is correctly associated with the right account and vendor profile in your system. Next, you'll need to input the mailing address. QuickBooks often automatically fills this in for you based on the vendor's details. However, it's always a good practice to check that everything is correct and makes sense. After verifying the mailing address, move on to the payment date field. Here, input the date which is agreed upon for the transaction, or the date when the credit was issued. Getting this date right is important for tracking payments and understanding the timeline of your transactions. Then, you'll want to select the appropriate category. This is crucial for your bookkeeping, as it categorizes the credit for your expense accounts, affecting your financial reports and insights. Make sure you choose the category that best relates to the original purchase for which you are receiving credit. Next is the description field. This is where you have the opportunity to detail the reason for the credit. Adding a clear and concise description can serve as a useful reference for yourself or anyone reviewing the accounts later on. In the memo field, you can add any additional notes or references that will help you remember the context of the vendor credit. This memo won't usually appear on financial statements, but will stay in your records for internal notes. Finally, you've made it to the last step. Simply click on the Save button to save the vendor credit to your records, and there you have it. You've successfully created a vendor credit. Remember, keeping your financial records organized not only helps with compliance, but also gives you better oversight of your business financial health.